Basic English conversation for kids.
Hello, I'm your friend, Bobo. I'll help you practice English conversation. Please follow my directions. Thank you! What did you do yesterday? Words. After you listen to each word, say the word. Yesterday. Ride. Bike. Fall. Conversation.
What did you do yesterday?
I rode a bike.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can.
I envy you.
Why?
I can't ride a bike.
Why don't you learn?
I'm afraid of falling down.
Practice. Listen to each sentence and repeat. Your conversation will get better.
What did you do yesterday?
I rode a bike.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can.
I envy you.
Why?
I can't ride a bike.
Why don't you learn?
I'm afraid of falling down.
Word quiz. Bike. Fall. Ride. Conversation quiz. What did Lily say?
Can you ride a bike? What did you do yesterday?
I rode a bike. did Lily say?
Can you ride a bike? What did you do yesterday?
Yes, I can. What did Max say? Why don't you learn? I rode a bike.
I'm afraid of falling down.
You did it. You were superstar.
Yay!
Goodbye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fun learning adventures. See you next time.